Hi beauties, my name is Akorede Adenike. You are welcome to my channel. In this tutorial today, I would like to teach you how to make tailor's hem with no sewing and ironing. These are the leftover fabric that I'm making use of. I'm going to need my masking tape and my thread as well, as you can see. So now let's begin. I'm starting by picking one of the leftover fabric by wrapping it up like this. I'm going to make the wrapping. I'm going to wrap it round. Make sure it's firm. And after wrapping, I'm going to use my thread to tighten it up all round, just like this. And I'm going to use my masking tape to hold my thread to avoid it from loosening up. Now I'm going to take another piece of fabric, wrap it up like I did earlier. Make it round very well. I'm taking another piece. I'm wrapping it round. So after wrapping, I'm going to use my thread to hold it down like I did earlier, just to make it firm and to avoid it from loosening up. If you are making your own, just make sure you tie it all around with your thread to make it firm. I'm using my masking tape to hold the thread. So I'm going to continue with this process till I reach the desired size I want. Is either small or big, depending on the the bust area that I'm working with. Now here is the size I want. So I'm going to show you the finishing of it. After the thread, I'm going to use my masking tape to cover it all round. So I'm going to cover it in full now, since I've reached the size I want. So I'm covering all the body now with my masking tape. Just make sure it covers everywhere. If you make your own, let me know in the comment section below how easy and beautiful it is. And if you have any question about it, let me know in the comment section below. Now that I'm done with it, I'm going to make sure it's firm very well by squeezing it, by holding it firm. Just like this. Here is it now. Look how beautiful it is. So if you want it big, here is it, and if you want it small, here is it. This is where I'm stopping for today, guys. If my tutorial has been helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to support my channel. If you have any question pertaining to cutting and sewing, you can join me on my Facebook group, Details to Sewing, created by Akorede Adenike. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Akorede Adenike. Please show some love by liking and following my page on Facebook at Akorede Adenike Sewing Tutorial. Till I see you in my next video, guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.